Good day, everyone. We got a unit here that the customer is complaining it's going through coolant, as well as it has a slight misfire. Verified there is misfire codes in it, multiple cylinder misfire, and I had to put 4 liters of coolant in the rad. So what I done is I have this kit here that measures for combustion as well as this fluid. And I didn't have this fluid at the time, so what I done is I just filled this up with water a little bit, and you run the unit and put this over the rad cap, or over the rad port right there, and then sure enough I had a bunch of bubbles coming through. So I ended up getting some of this stuff, which is how you would test for combustion gas in the cooling system, and it changes color as the combustion gases go through the fluid. So I'll show you how it works. I haven't tested this yet, so I'll see if it actually is combustion gas coming through. So I'm gonna fill this thing up. Just gonna use 2 hands here so I don't spill any. There we go. And the goal is the fluid will change to yellow if there's a combustion leak in the system. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck and put this on it. Of course, before you move the rad cap, make sure the coolant is cold, or the engine's cold. And here we go. Seal that up. You can see all the bubbles. We'll see if this thing turns color. Well, as you can see, we are changing to a yellow. This is a green right now, so yeah, this color is definitely changing on this. I'm going to hold it on here a little longer. So there's the fluid after it's been sitting on the rad for a bit. This is the original color, and as you can see, it turned yellow. So that's telling us that we do have a combustion leak.